In this video, we will discuss what is cloud computing and what are its essential characteristics. Cloud computing is a type of computing that provides on-demand access to pools of highly elastic computing resources as a service over the network. Here, the service is metered service. So we can say cloud computing is an on-demand delivery of IT capabilities as a metered service over the network. In cloud computing, resources such as compute, network, and storage are pooled and consumers are provided access in such a way that its access is tightly isolated from the access of other consumers. Cloud computing services are available over the network, that is on the internet. There is no requirement for physical connectivity or provider supplied network connectivity. And cloud computing services are highly elastic. It enables the consumers to scale resources based on demand, often automatically. So there are three terms which we often use regarding elasticity. These are scaling up. It means using more powerful servers. Scaling out, adding more servers. Scaling down, dropping of demand. Cloud computing is a measured service. Means it is a pay-as-you-go model. It means you are simply charged for what you use. If you will use more resources, then you will be charged more. If you will use less resources, you will be charged less. Cloud computing is also on-demand self-service. It means consumer can provision resources on your own without human intervention at cloud service provider's side. Cloud computing is just like a utility computing. In utility computing, a service provider makes computing resources and infrastructure available to a customer as needed. The provider then charges the customer for its specific uses rather than a flat rate. If the customer uses the resources more, provider will charge the customer more. If the customer uses the resources less, the provider will charge the customer less. Cloud computing is also just like grid computing. In grid computing, various hardware and software components are pooled to create a single IT environment with shared resources. And cloud computing also uses virtualization technology.